Constant Contact has been doing this for 28 years. I've been at the company for 12 of those years, and it's changed and it hasn't. So of course, a lot of technical things have changed. When I start thinking about just the product in general, when you start thinking about a better editing experience for our customers, you start thinking about, of course, the mobile device came out. So you got to think about mobile responsiveness, those types of things. Then of course, there's the other things in terms of just like regulations, making sure that you have implied and express consent, all the different things in there with GDPR and all of that other stuff that comes into play. I think changes more recently that are happening just in terms of like deliverability. Google and Yahoo are asking for authentication and things like that to happen. Then you think just in terms of the advances in automation, things like dynamic content, all of those things have come along to really accentuate what you can do with email marketing. But I think realistically, at its core, it's really the same. It's just a high ROI way. We see this time and time again that really allows our customers, particularly when I'm thinking about small business customers, folks that don't have a technical background and folks that aren't necessarily marketers by trade. They're marketers by necessity more than anything else. It's just a really simple way for people to keep their business top of mind and really drive more business for themselves. And so I think that's the interesting dynamic of it. It's changed, but hasn't changed at the same time, which is interesting.